He first started as solving crimes and then went into crimes. So here we have the criminal and the birthday boy, Gunjan Utreja.
बीच में मैं बहुत शरीफ भी था वैसे, by the way.
Welcome to telechakka.com first of all.
Thank you.
And Gunjan, since you've done Madhubala, you've actually gained a lot of fan following, and we have a very lovely gift from your fan.
अब मुझे इनफैक्ट ये बताया गया कि किसी ने बहुत प्यार से मुझे एक तोहफा भेजा है.
किसी लड़की ने.
किसी लड़की ने.
जी हाँ.
अच्छा, ये कैसे पता आपको? इसमें तो नाम भी नहीं लिखा. झूठ बोल रहे हैं. But how do you know? अच्छा, handwriting से पता लग रहा है. Actually, it's a very beautiful handwriting.
And it specially says Abhay Kapoor.
Okay, it says Abhay Kapoor. So I will take it that it's a girl who sent this to me. And actually, you know, I'm genuinely humbled जिन्होंने भी ये भेजा है, because a lot of people have sent me messages on phone, WhatsApp. Most of the fans have sent me messages on Facebook and through my website as well, which I did launch in 4th. Thank you. This is unexpected and this is such a big surprise. You know, it would have been special अगर आप इसके नीचे अपना नाम भी लिख देते, और अगर आप एड्रेस भी लिख देते तो मैं आपके घर भी आ जाता रिटर्न गिफ्ट देने के लिए. Oh, you got 2. ये पक्का कोई पंजाबी लड़की है. But this is a very very sweet gesture and I mean it. I think this is one of the best gifts. चाहे मैंने
The card looks lovely.
Oh, it's a card. एक मैं पहले. Oh, tan. Wow.
So a message for every 2 years.
Wow. Sweet, thank you. 6 years. Wow, someone took a lot of effort here. You know, I'm actually surprised that, you know, she wrote Shah Rukh Khan, or whosoever this is wrote Shah Rukh Khan, because he's one person who's genuinely inspired me, my work. Of course, he's inspired a lot of people, but I'm glad you wrote Shah Rukh Khan. Live today, love today, yesterday gone and tomorrow may never come. Don't waste your time in the past and don't wish for the future. Make it happen today. Happy birthday, always keep smiling. E. Okay, and wow. Now, are you thinking? No, I'll have to go back to my Amna Samna investigator days to find ये किसने लिखा है. Actually, this is very sweet. This is actually one of the best gifts I've ever got in my life. You know, I always believe कि आप एक दूसरे को बर्थडेज पे इतनी महंगी चीज़ें देते हैं, इतनी इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ें जो मटीरियलिस्टिक ये खरीदी जा सकती हैं. बट टू डू समथिंग लाइक दिस, आई एम एक्चुअली humbled. This is the best gift of my life for sure. Thank you. और मैं आमना सामना इन्वेस्टिगेटर जोन से निकल के मुझे कुछ हिंट मिल रहा है. Okay, so this is.
Oh wow.
Wow. So this is a picture done by a very talented, person who works for Telechakkar. Thank you. This is a very very sweet gesture. It's a beautiful frame as well, and I'm humbled. But what I'm going to do is I think I have that much right. मैं हर साल इसमें फोटो बदलता जाऊँगा. मैंने इसमें से अभी बहुत वजन लूज कर लिया है, and I have a lot of new pictures as well. So probably what I can do is every week I can keep changing the picture here. But whosoever you are, thank you. Thank you.
So Gunjan, you just saw your gifts. So how excited or actually humbled you are?
I was very excited कि जब तुमने मेरे को फ़ोन करके बताया कि किसी ने गिफ्ट भेजा है, and I'm like, wow, you know, free gift, wow. But नहीं, I'll tell you what this, and as I just mentioned यार, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ज़िंदगी में जो सबसे कीमती गिफ्ट आप किसी को दे सकते हैं वो अपना समय होता है. और किसी ने बहुत समय निकाल कर उस कार्ड के बारे में सोचा, उस कॉन्सेप्ट के बारे में सोचा, खुद अपने हाथों से पेपर को काटा, लिखा, उसको डेकोरेट किया. एंड आई थिंक दैट्स द बेस्ट गिफ्ट यू कैन गिव टू एनीवन. एंड ऑफ कोर्स उस पर इतनी खूबसूरत बातें लिखी हुई थी, इतनी खूबसूरत विशेज़ लिखी हुई थी, विच इज़ ऑफ कोर्स प्राइसलेस. बट व्हेन आई से दैट टाइम is the most precious commodity, or anything you can give. Right. I think it's amazing. Thank you.
And talking about gifts, of course, your birthday just passed away.
Yes.
And so क्या किया? And you also launched your website.
I did that. In fact, हर व्यक्ति कह रहा था कि भी कुछ बहुत सारे लोगों का अलग अलग तरीके होते हैं बर्थडे मनाने का. मैं हर साल किसी ऐसी जगह पर जाता हूँ जहाँ पर where I get an opportunity to thank the Almighty. I believe in the power of prayers, and that is the only thing I believe is true in this whole world. तो मैं इस साल गोल्डन टेम्पल गया हुआ था मत्था टेकने के लिए. मैं वहाँ पे पहले भी बहुत बार जा चुका हूँ. It's a very beautiful place. It's a very peaceful place. And I was thinking of launching my website from a long time, because a lot of people were like, what happens is that a lot of things get written about you because of the whole internet thing. What's correct, what's not correct, you don't get to know. So I was thinking that, let me just launch a website which kind of gives, a wholesome picture of who I am. A lot of people who saw me in Madhubala, they didn't know that I'm an anchor. They thought that I've just started anchoring now. They don't know that I've been anchoring for past 8 years, have traveled all across the globe to do live shows. And so when I had just put everything together, it gives one such platform where I can interact with my fans. In fact, you can go to www.gunjan
Talking about Telechakra, any message to your viewers through Telechakra?
I have always, in fact, I still remember my first interview here in Bombay was at telechakra.com. I've been to their office. This is the second time I'm coming here. And you guys always been sweet, and of course you work really hard. बच्चे बहुत काम करते हैं. See, it takes a lot of effort to write gossip, which doesn't exist. So they put in a lot of effort, but jokes apart, it's a hard-working lot, youngsters, and thanks to you that you keep working hard day in and day out to get our stories out to our fans. And all the fans out there, everybody who's also a fan of all the television content and telechakra.com, thank you for your love and support, and I look forward to the same. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Gunjan, and hope you have a great year ahead.
Cheers.